Today on the AI briefing, OpenAI's Swarm framework sparks debate on AI automation risks. Adobe unveils Firefly Video Model for seamless video editing in Creative Cloud. Welcome to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and this is your news for Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Let's get into the news. OpenAI has introduced an experimental framework called Swarm, designed to coordinate networks of AI agents, sparking significant debate about the future of AI-driven automation. Although not an official OpenAI product, Swarm serves as a blueprint for developers to build AI systems that can autonomously collaborate on complex tasks. This framework could revolutionize enterprise operations by enabling companies to deploy specialized AI agents across various departments, such as market analysis, sales, and customer support, with minimal human oversight. However, the introduction of Swarm also raises critical concerns about security, bias, and job displacement. As these autonomous systems amplify existing risks, industry leaders and AI ethicists are highlighting the need for robust safeguards to prevent malfunctions and ensure fair decision-making. OpenAI has made the Swarm code available on GitHub, encouraging developers to experiment and evaluate the performance of these multi-agent systems. Adobe has announced the launch of its Firefly Video Model, a significant expansion of its generative AI capabilities. This new model, now available in limited public beta, is designed to be commercially safe and integrates seamlessly with Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, particularly in Premiere Pro. The Firefly Video Model allows users to generate video clips from text prompts and reference images, using a variety of camera controls such as angle, motion, and zoom. This feature can fill gaps in timelines, create B-roll footage, and even extend existing clips to smooth out transitions or hold shots longer for perfectly timed edits through the Generative Extend feature. Additionally, the model supports image-to-video capabilities, transforming still shots or illustrations into live-action clips. Adobe emphasizes that the Firefly Video Model is trained only on public domain or licensed content, ensuring it is safe for commercial use without infringing on users' content rights. This innovation is part of Adobe's broader effort to enhance its Firefly models, which have already generated over 13 billion images since their launch in March 2023. The new video model is expected to further streamline video editing workflows, allowing creatives more time to focus on their artistic vision. Well, that's your AI news for today. Thanks for tuning in to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and tune in tomorrow for more AI news.